Here is the script for a 3-minute YouTube video on building a diversified investment portfolio. Title: Diversifying Your Investments, a step-by-step guide introduction. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video on building a diversified investment portfolio. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just want to grow your wealth over time, investing is a great way to achieve your financial goals. By the end of this video, you'll understand what diversification means, why it's important, and how to start building a portfolio that's right for you. What is diversification? So, what is diversification? Simply put, it's the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Think of it like a garden. If you plant all your seeds in one spot, you're vulnerable to pests, droughts, or other disasters that might destroy your entire crop. But if you spread your seeds across different areas, you're more likely to have a healthy, thriving garden. Asset classes: there are several main asset classes you can invest in, including asterisk stocks, pieces of companies that represent ownership, asterisk bonds, loans to companies or governments that pay interest, asterisk real estate, physical properties or investments and real estate funds, asterisk commodities, raw materials like gold, oil, or agricultural products, asterisk cash, savings accounts, money market funds, or other low-risk investments. Why diversification matters? Why is diversification important? By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can asterisk reduce risk. If one investment performs poorly, others may help offset the loss, asterisk increase potential returns. By investing in a variety of assets, you can capture different types of growth, asterisk stay flexible. A diversified portfolio can help you adapt to changing market conditions. Building a portfolio. So, how do you build a diversified portfolio? Here are some steps to follow. 1. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? 2. Assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with market fluctuations? 3. Choose your investments. Select a mix of asset classes that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 4. Start small. Don't try to do too much at once. Begin with a few investments and gradually add more. Tips for success: here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Asterisk rebalance your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. Asterisk keep costs low. Avoid high fees and expenses that can eat into your returns. Asterisk stay informed. Educate yourself on the markets and investments, but don't try to time the market. Next steps. That's it for today's video. Now that you understand the importance of diversification and how to build a portfolio, it's time to take action. Remember, investing is a long-term process. Be patient, stay consistent, and you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Recap and call to action. In summary, diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and increase potential returns. By understanding the basics of diversification, you can start building a portfolio that's right for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and comment below with any questions or feedback.